Hi, this is Mike Malach with Pink Harbor CPA, coming to today with the latest breaking news that just came out this morning. First, the unemployment taxability. We all know that's changed. The first $10,200 per person. If your modified adjusted gross income is less than $150,000, that unemployment will not be taxable. The IRS previously asked us to hold off on doing amended tax returns. This morning, the IRS stated that they will automatically calculate refunds for changes to the unemployment income that was reported on your tax returns. So if you're owed money, the IRS is going to do their best to calculate how much you're owed and send you checks automatically. Now, does that mean it will be correct? No. And the reason being, there's other credits that you might have gotten denied, such as the earned income credit, or got less of an earned income credit that you were entitled to. Those payments might need to be increased, and you may need to do an amended tax return. We will not know for sure until the IRS actually starts to issue these these refund checks as a result of unemployment. Next, you should be in contact with your tax professional after you receive your refund to confirm that the refund was the correct amount. Now, if Pink Harbor CPA did your tax return, we will have already contacted you to tell you the amount that you should receive. And if you receive a different amount, to contact us. Not everyone does that. This is the extra step that Pink Harbor CPA does for you. Okay, so we bend over backwards to give you the best service. So remember, it's not all about what you pay when you get your tax return done, how much you pay a professional. It's about the services they're going to provide to you and the level of detail they're looking out for you. Okay, now, the IRS will most likely not be able to meet the July 1 deadline for the advanced child tax credit repayments. That's what Chuck Reddick, the commissioner of the IRS, said yesterday. He said, because so many changes are happening so fast, Congress wanted you to start to get back half of your child tax credit in the year 2021. However, Chuck Reddick just said that might not be a deadline that they can meet, and the payments might be delayed after July 1st. Next, the deadline has only been extended for the April 15th individual income tax filing deadline. The deadline has not been extended for the payment responsibility you may have if you make estimated payments. So those of you that might have self-employed businesses, those of you that might have rental income, different things to create the necessity for you to make estimated payments every year. Your estimated payment for the year 2022 is still due on April 15th, 2021. So just because you have additional time to make your payment, to get your tax return done, does not mean that your estimate for 2022 has been extended. It has not been. That you still need to contact your tax professional, ask them for updated estimates, okay? Lastly, the biggest call that we're getting calls and people are saying, I filed my tax return, now the unemployment change is going into effect, therefore I should get a bigger stimulus payment than I've already received. Many people, over 80 million people, have already received their stimulus payments, okay? So that stimulus payment, if it was less than $1,400 per person, might have been shortened because of the unemployment, or you may not have gotten anything at all because of the taxability of unemployment. Therefore, for those people who it's going to affect, the IRS said, we're going to do a sweep of tax returns that are filed after the May 15th deadline. So now this is another reason why you don't want to go past May 15th if you don't absolutely have to. If in the past you filed extensions and you didn't file a tax return until October, this is not the year to do that. You want to get your taxes done as early as possible, because if you're entitled to more stimulus money, you want to make sure you get that extra stimulus money. You don't want to delay the filing of your tax returns. As an industry, we are all overwhelmed right now. There are so many changes that are going through. You know, there are so many people who delayed because they were waiting for unemployment to change. And now there's people that delayed. The people who filed early are going to get the money back from the unemployment change without having to do anything. So it is so critical important. Pick up the phone. If you need your taxes done, call Pink Harbor CPA right now. Right now. Pick up, see the phone right there? Pick up the phone and call us. 856-226-9524, or go right on our website. You don't want to talk, you got laryngitis? Go right on our website, pinkharbor.com, pinkharbor.com, and schedule your appointment now. Now, don't worry about the boss. They're fine with it. Just call and schedule. We need to get you back your money as quickly as possible. You need to file because the appointments are booking up so incredibly fast. Every time I look down, I'm booked up for another week ahead of time. Please call us if you need your taxes done. You will love the experience you get here at Pink Harbor CPA. No one else that I know brings you the breaking news that we do. Have a great day. Love to see you in our office.